Hello student, how are you? In plant growth and mineral nutrition, previous lecture we learned the second type of the phytohormone. This second phytohormone is known as a gibberellin. Phytohormones are the growth regulators. They promote or inhibit the various physiological activities which are take place in a living organism, that is in a plant. So in this lecture we learn the third plant hormone. This third plant hormone is known as cytokinin. First plant hormone is auxin, second hormone is gibberellin, third hormone is cytokinin, fourth hormone is ethylene, and fifth hormone is a abscisic acid. So in this topic we learn these 5 hormones. Hormones are called as a phytohormone. Why they are known as phytohormone? Why they are known as a phytohormone? Phyto means plant. The plant synthesized these hormones in one site and they are transported to another site where they are effective. So, what is the meaning of cytokinin? Cytokinin in this word, two points. First, cyto and second, kinin. What is the meaning of cyto? Cyto means cell. Cyto means cell. And second, kinin. Kinin, that is kinesis. What is the meaning of kinesis? Kinesis, that is the meaning is division. So cytokinin means the plant growth hormone or a plant growth regulator which promote the process of cell division. This hormone is known as a cytokinin. So here remember this point. Cyto means cell and kinesis, that is division. Cytokinin is a phytohormone which promote the process of cell division. This hormone is known as a cytokinin. So student, we know the phytohormones are classified into 2 types. Phytohormones are classified into 2 types. First type is promoter and second type is a inhibitor. Promoter means the phytohormones involved in development, cell division, cell enlargement, formation of flower, fruiting, seed formation. And inhibitors are those phytohormones which involve in dormancy as well as in a abscission. So here understand this point. Cytokinin involved in which type of the phytohormone? That is cytokinin involved in promoter, that is a promoting phytohormone is known as a cytokinin. Promoting plant hormone student, here remember these 2 points. First point, cytokinin is a group of a promoter, and second point, cytokinin play important role, that is cell division. Cell division, that is formation of the new cell, that is multiplication of a cell take place by the activity of a cytokinin. Synthesis of cytokinin take place. Synthesis of cytokinin take place in endosperm, embryo, developing fruits, and also cytokinin synthesis take place in a germinating seeds. So here remember this point, where synthesis of cytokinin take place. Synthesis of cytokinin take place in plant, that is in embryo, in endosperm, developing fruit and seeds. Cytokinin formation take place in germinating seed, endosperm and embryo. Then who discovered the plant hormone cytokinin? The scientist Lintham coined the term cytokinin. Cyto means cell and kinesis means the division. The cytokinin promote the process of the cell division. Where cytokinesis synthesis take place in flower, fruit, developing seed, and inside the seed they also present inside the endosperm as well as inside the embryo. And cytokinin was coined by a Lintham, who isolated cytokinin. Cytokinin isolated from a maize. The scientist who discovered the cytokinin, the scientist name is a Lintham. Then cytokinin was also discovered by Salk and Miller in 1954. Cytokinin was discovered by Salk and Miller in 1954. He observed in a tissue culture technique for obtaining the callus culture. Callus means unorganized mass of the parenchymatous tissue. In which plant this plant is known as a tobacco plant. What is the botanical name of tobacco plant? That is Nicotiana tabacum. Nicotiana is a genus name and tabacum is a species name. So here remember this point, cytokinin was isolated by Salk and Miller, from which plant this plant is known as a Nicotiana tabacum. Then obtaining from, here remember first point, coconut milk, that is endosperm of the coconut. Second, unripe maize grain. And third, here is sperm, that is extracted DNA material. So here remember this point, cytokinin is extracted from first point coconut milk, second unripe maize grain, and third is a herring sperm. Examples of cytokinins. First example is kinetin and second example is giardia. First example is a kinetin and second example is a GAT. We know the types of the gibberellic acid: GA1, GA2, GA3, GA4. So there are about 115 gibberellins are present. And what are the examples of the auxin? IAA, IPA, 2,4-D and NAA. And give the examples of the cytokinin. First example is a kinetin and second example is a GAT. First example is a kinetin and second example is a GAT. The kinetin is also known as a 6-furfuryl amino and GAT means 6-benzyl adenine. So here remember this pointer: cytokinin plant hormones are the derivatives of purine base, that is they are the derivatives of the adenine. So here remember this point: cytokinin is derivatives of adenine. Then we remember these two names of the cytokinin. First is a kinetin and second is a GAT. Cytokinin, first point, cytokinin is a phytohormone which promotes the process of the cell division. Second point, wherever cytokinin synthesis take place, cytokinin synthesis take place in endosperm, embryo and developing fruit cells. Then who discovered the cytokinin? Cytokinin phytohormone discovered by Witham, then discovered by Soap and Miller from a tobacco plant. Then cytokinin is obtained from a coconut milk, then unripe maize grain and urine sperm. What are the examples of the cytokinin? First example is kinetin and second example is a GAT. So then student will learn the application of cytokinin. First important application of cytokinin is cell division. Cell division means formation of the new daughter cell. That is cytokinin phytohormone involved in cytokinesis process. In 11th standard, we learn the topic cell division. In this topic, we learn the two concepts of karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means the division of nucleus and cytokinesis means the division of the cytoplasm. So, cytokinin is a plant hormone which involved in a process of the cytokinesis, that is promoting the process of the cell division. So, first important role of cytokinin is it promotes the process of cell division. Then second application of cytokinin, cell enlargement. When cell division takes place, automatically cell enlarged, so cytokinin also involved in a cell enlargement. Then third application of cytokinin differentiation. Cell differentiation. So here remember, first application of cytokinin, promote cell division. Second application, cell enlargement. Third application, cell differentiation. Cell differentiation. Then cytokinin also break the dormancy of a seed. Cytokinin break the dormancy of a seed. Dormancy is a period in which seeds are metabolically inactive. So the resting period of seed is known as a dormancy. In dormancy period, seed do not germinate. So this dormancy breaking up take place by the activity of the cytokinin. So first application of cytokinin is it promotes cell division. Second application, cell enlargement. Third application, cell differentiation. Fourth application, it break dormancy of seed. It break dormancy of seed, but it promote the process of the seed germination. During the seed germination, entire seedling formation takes place. So, fifth application of cytokinin is promoting the process of a seed germination and breaking the dormancy of a seed. Next, cytokinin induces flowering in some plants. Cytokinin induces flowering in some plants. Then, cytokinin delay the process of senescence. In development senescence term, we learn senescence means the aging of the plant body. During the senescence, plant causes the death. So what is senescence? Senescence means aging of the plants is known as a senescence. So here this point to remember, cytokinin delay the process of senescence. This application was studied by two scientists. First scientist is a Richmond and second is a Lang. So this effect is known as a Richmond-Lang effect. So this cytokinin delay the senescence. This effect is called as a Richmond and Lang effect. First application is promote cell division. Second application, cell differentiation. Then cell enlargement, breaking dormancy of seed. Next, promote the process of the seed germination. Promote the process of the seed germination. And very important role of the cytokinin is cytokinin delay the process. Delay means late. Cytokinin delay the process of the senescence. Senescence, that is aging of the plant body. So this effect is called as a Richmond-Lang effect. Then it induces growth of cambium. It responsible for formation of interfascicular cambium. When cambium present in between xylem and phloem tissue, that is water conducting tissue, food conducting tissue. These are the permanent complex tissue. When cambium present in between xylem and phloem, then interfascicular cambium formation take place. And for this formation, which hormone is responsible? This hormone is known as a cytokinin. And student, we know the function of cambium. Cambium is responsible for a secondary growth. That is, cytokinin is also responsible for a secondary growth. Primary growth means growth takes place linearly in a plant organ, and secondary growth means increases the girth or diameter of a plant organ. This growth is known as a secondary growth. So, for formation of interfascicular cambium, cytokinin hormones are responsible. That is, cytokinin hormone is involved in the development of a secondary growth. So this is also important function of the cytokinin. Then, like auxin, cytokinin also play important role in a tissue culture. Why? Cytokinin phytohormone applied or used in a tissue culture technique due to the activity of phytohormone, that is cytokinin. It promotes cell division. So cell number rapidly increases due to the activity of the cytokinin. So cytokinin phytohormone used in a tissue culture technique because due to the activity of the cytokinin, cell division takes place rapidly. So callus culture is obtained from by using the cytokinin plant hormone. Auxins are also used in a tissue culture. Like auxins, cytokinins also play important role in a tissue culture technique for obtaining the callus culture. And cytokinin play effectively role when it combined with another phytohormones. That is, when auxin and cytokinin, two hormones, are combined together, then it also play effectively role. When high concentration of cytokinin and low concentration of auxin, it induces the shoot formation. Here remember this point. When high concentration of cytokinin and low concentration of auxin induces shoot formation. And when low concentration of cytokinin and high concentration of auxin, it also promotes the root development. When it is responsible for shoot development, when concentration of cytokinin is high than the auxin, and when it play important role in a root development when concentration of cytokinin is low than the auxin. So here remember this point, for root development, for shoot formation, high concentration of cytokinin take place, and for root development, low concentration of cytokinin also take place. Then cytokinin also promote the growth of lateral buds. Cytokinin also promote the growth of the lateral buds. So these are the application of cytokinin. First application is cytokinin promote the process of the cell division. It also involves in a cell enlargement. Then it also responsible for cell differentiation. It breaks the dormancy of seed. It promotes the germination of seed. Then when it promotes the delay of the senescence, this effect is known as a Richmond-Lange effect. This is very important point. What is Richmond-Lange effect? Richmond-Lange effect means when cytokinin delay the process of the senescence. This effect is known as a Richmond and Lange effect. Cytokinin also used in a tissue culture technique. Due to the presence of the cytokinin, multiplication of cell rapidly takes place for obtaining callus culture. Cytokinin hormone is used in a tissue culture technique. It also induces the growth of the cambium, and cambium is responsible for secondary growth. So, indirectly, cytokinin also play the important role in a secondary growth. Then, when high concentration of cytokinin and low concentration of auxin, this combination is responsible for a shoot formation. And when low concentration of cytokinin high concentration of auxin, this combination is responsible for root formation. And cytokinin phytohormones are also responsible for promoting the growth of the lateral bud. So it was the reverse effect of apical dominance. So these are the application of the cytokinin. Student, in this lecture we learn the third phytohormone. This third phytohormone is known as a cytokinin. It is adenine derivative. Second point, it is a promoters, and third point, it promotes the process of the cell division. Lithium, then Lithium, So and Millers, these scientists discovered the phytohormone cytokinin. Cytokinin is synthesized in developing embryo, endosperm, fruit and seed. Then examples of the cytokinin, kinetin, and second example is agiatin. It is obtained from a coconut milk, unripe maize grain, and hearing sperm. Then application of cytokinin: first cell division, second cell enlargement, third cell differentiation, breaking dormancy of seed, promote seed germination, then delay the senescence. This effect is known as a Richmond-Lange effect. It induces the growth of the cambium. It also used in a tissue culture technique. And when high concentration of cytokinin is used, then it is responsible for shoot formation. And when low concentration of cytokinin and high concentration of the auxin, this combination is responsible for a root development. So today in this lecture we learn the third phytohormone. This third phytohormone is known as a cytokinin. In next lecture we learn the two remaining hormones, that is ethylene and a abscisic acid. So thank you.